Hello everybody, welcome to Fibonacci Trader YouTube channel. In this tutorial I would like to show you how you can create a basic trading system using Fibonacci Trader. I have used S&P 500 index in my chart over here, and this is a 60-minute bar chart. So basically you go to systems, you want to create a new one obviously, and let's name it as S&P 500 60-minute system. I want to use as an indicator relative strength index. Okay, here. As you know that relative strength index is an indicator that evaluates the momentum and the magnitude of recent prices changes for each period of time, and it's scaled between 0 and 100. Obviously 50 is the balance point of the indicator. So I used here 9 period of time using closes, and here I'm going to change the overbought line to 65 and oversold line to 35. Alright, so in Fibonacci Trader with relative strength index, what you can do basically, you can either buy when the indicator crosses above 50, which is the balance point between 0 and 100, or you can buy and sold in overbought and oversold enter zones. If you remember, I have chosen 65 as the overbought and 35 as the oversold line. So I've chosen my indicator. I checked the little box on the left hand side of the indicator. So of course I want to show my trade zones chart. I want to alarm on condition, and I'm going to save right now this system. Again, from the system menu, let's find our created system that was S&P 500 60-minute system. So my system is on the chart right now, having some trades on it. What I want to do right now, of course, I want to see the backtest results of the system. So since the 26th of September 2019, I'm scrolling down the menu. This system has taken around 445 points till the 14th of August 2020. So for the 11 months, this system alone has made around 15% profit. From the summary button over here, I want to see the performance in details. Alright, so our system's performance is that we have taken a total of 151 trades. Among 67% roughly were profitable, and we had a average win to lose ratio of 0.55%. So I want to a little bit shape up with the system. So for the automated traders, I'm going to suggest that never put a system to automated trade it unless otherwise you have a percent profitability above 60% and a ratio of average win to lose above 1. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to increase my profit and I want to decrease my losses, obviously. So in this menu, I'm going to go to show button and I'm going to MFE chart. What is an MFE chart? MFE chart is a maximum favorable excursion, which means that where to take out your profits in order to boost your P&L chart. Obviously, as you can see, the P&L chart of the systems swinging here, that the P&L is topping around this level. So what is this level? This level is 100 points. As you can see, the target at 100 points, which means that if we accumulate our profits, if we take out our profits around 100 points from our system, then our system's profit is going to increase around 640 points level instead of 440 points. Okay, so I'm closing this menu, I'm reopening my system. From the system's main screen, I'm going to options button, I'm going to profit protection sub-screen, and I'm choosing by percentage of value. So 100 points as is 100 points is around 3%. It's around 3%, and exactly it's around 3.27% of the average instrument value of this instrument within the last 11 months. Personally, how I'm taking out my profits, always at the bar close, and I'm always giving the market a time to breathe before I take out my profits. So I'm gonna make at the bar close, and I'm gonna let market to breathe around 30%, which is going to be around 30 points before I stick on to my profits. Okay, so I'm closing again my chart over my systems menu over there, and I'm rechecking my results file. So again, from the 26th of September last. Okay, so the system has taken around 683 points. I'm reclosing this menu and I'm reopening the results file, and I'm going to show, but this time I want to shape up my stop prices, and I want to see where to put a stop exactly. So I'm going to MAE chart. So what is an MAE chart? MAE chart is a maximum adverse excursion where you want to put your stops in order to minimize your losses. As you can see, the blue line over here, which will represent our profit chart, I'm seeing that around these levels actually the profits are topping. So when I click on the top of this line, actually I'm seeing that the profits are topping around 29 points or 30 points area. And how you find the average instrument value of the instrument for the observation period. I'm going to summary again, but this time not the performance, but on the risk table. On the bottom of the page, as you can see that the average instrument value of S&P 500 index was 3058 points during the last 11 months. So what was the maximum adverse excursion level? That was around 30 points, 35 points. For the simplicity of this tutorial, I'm basically re-editing my system. I'm going to options menu, but this time not the profit protection that we have done over there, but on the stop screen I'm re-choosing the by percentage of the value. I'm just re-putting here 1% because the 30 points is around 1% of the 3000 average instrument value of S&P 500. When I'm closing, always at the bar close. And over here, when I'm trading, always at bars closes. So I'm resaving my system over here, and I'm just rechecking my results. So over here, still starting from the 26th of September last year, my system has increased the P&L accumulated to 1260 points. I'm rechecking my performance. So over here you can see that the percent profitable of trades has decreased from 67% to 63% roughly, but with a good result that my average win to lose has increased above 1. So I will say that any system with a profitability around or above 60% and the average win to lose ratio above 1 is a tradable one. What I want to check one more thing is what is my consecutive drawdown. My consecutive drawdown is 5 trades so I risk a total of 150 points, which is around 5% of the total risk of my capital. So I'm reclosing this, and I'm opening right now my P&L chart. As you can see over here that you have a losing plateau between roughly around your 30th trade till here your 80th trade. Your maximum drawdown was 150 points, but your open drawdown, I will say, your open drawdown is around from 200 levels to minus 10 levels. So by risking 210% of your 210 points in S&P 500, which is around 7% of your total risk capital, you made 1260 points in 11 months. So as the instrument value was around 3058, so which means that you made 41% by risking 7% of your capital, which is going to bring you to a MAR ratio, what we call a managed account repo ratio of 5.5, that will analyze your total return regarding your maximum open drawdown over here. So any ratio above 3.5 is quite acceptable in the hedge fund world. So thank you for listening to me. I wish you good trading, with Fibonacci Trader and stay tuned to our channel.